Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is from yourshop.ru, and today this is the new stickers of Nike SB down low, and this one is the frame Nike SB down low Habibi. This one is the new colorway ready to ship. If you want to copy this one, please check on my web link here to copy them. And also there are many styles on my website. You can check more details there. Pick up the one you want. And this is the new ones, so you can look the Habibi. The color is very beautiful. Got the red, white, black, and the green colors on the upper. So you can here double Nike shoes. One is the green, and then another one is the black. Black is the temple leather, and the green is the shred material. And on the upper, got the red temple leather around the upper, and this part look like very similar with the mesh with the pattern here is the pure white. And about this one, you can look the shoelace is very special, like this, very special. Of the shoelace here, and got the two lace lock, and the double layers shoe tom. One is the white, got the logo here, and another one is the black, got another kind logo. The back side of the shoe tom got the text and got the flame here, and another one on the black got the Habibi. So you can look very good. And then the last tip of this one like this is the black one. It's the metallic black. And then about the front here with the holes on the white temple leather part. About this color also workmanship is very good, and the toe base very good. And the inner side got the same double Nike shoes, white mesh, the red temple leather, and this color with the white temple leather. Also this color is a little fat, and also this material is very comfortable. And about the back side, got the Nike on the top embroidered there is the black one. How good. And the bottom so is the white, and the bottom is the brown. In the middle, got Nike SB. And the bottom inside, you can do the shoe part like this. Got the Nike SB logo, and also have the pendant, and also flame letters print layer. Okay, so for more details, you can check on my web link. And I also got another shoelace here is the white. A black white color on the shoes is the red red color. So would you like this one? If yes, please check on my web link to copy them. All sizes available. Any more questions, please contact us. Thanks for seeing you next video. Bye bye.